Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the dire skin all maxed out. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to start out with his brow area first. So we're going to draw in, it's going to be a really mean brow, so in the middle, just going to draw one line, and I'm just going to come on both sides. So this is going to be pretty much between the eyes. And then from this, I'm going to come and slant out. Okay, so just slant it out like this first. And let me draw in the eye so we know where we are. So right on this slant here, just drawing like a little bit of an arc. Okay, so now we know where we are, right? Alright, so then from here, let's finish up the brow area. So I'm just going to come up slightly here. Okay, and then I'm going to draw in one curve. This is going to be the headband, so I'm just going to come across. So then from here, I'm going to add a little bit more detail to the brow, just so that we can make it look a little bit meaner. And also, it's kind of like a different color anyways. So this part's supposed to be white. So just come to the corner here. I'm just going to curve up all the way to that corner. And then from this corner, I'm just going to come back down. Okay, kind of like in the middle here. So this part's going to be white. Alright, so let's try it on this side. So I'm going to start, you can start on the corner here. I'm going to come down. And then go back to the corner. I'm just going to come all the way down. Probably somewhere to the middle. Alright, and we'll be able to see that a lot better once we color it later. So let's continue on with the face. So for the face, we're going to continue on his nose. So we're going to come down. One line across, and then I'm just going to come into the center. And then right below the nose, we're just going to draw in. This is going to be the top of his lip. So it's going to be like a smile, I know it looks a little bit funny right now. So just come across like this, right around the eye area. And then we're going to go up. Alright, and then now we can finish the side of the face. So go back up here. It's going to be like a little wave, like a little curve. Alright, and then once you have that, we're just going to connect this. So we're going to give this a little bit of sharp point here. Just kind of come across. Let's continue down onto with his teeth. So his teeth's a little bit tricky, but let's draw it this way. So on the corner here, just kind of slant down first, and then I'm just going to close it off. So this is actually going to be the bottom of his lip. Okay, and then from here, in this corner, just curve out. So this is going to be the base of the fang. And then once you have this curve, just come back up here and just connect that with a little bit of a curve. So these are his fangs going up. And then we can finish this, the bottom off, just kind of close that off with his lower lip. Okay, so that's going to be his fangs. And then inside here is going to be some teeth. So right in the middle, I'll draw one here, one more on the other side, and then whatever you can draw here, just close it off so that it looks like there's another teeth coming down. Alright, so that's the mouth area, and that part's a little bit tricky, but not too bad. So now to finish off the face here, it's got some more fur. So on the side here, I'm just gonna come down. Okay, just go up, and then I'm just gonna add one more strand to it, and just curve it back into the mouth. And then we're almost done with the head, so let's continue up. So we got drawing the headband. It's got a little headband here. So just drawing a V shape first in the middle, and then from there I'm gonna just kind of come out and just close that off. And then now we can draw in the hair. So we can start out with the middle part here. From this corner, just kind of add a little bit curve there. And then we can add in a little bit of line. And then we gotta go up here. So on the corner here, just kind of draw like a little bit of a curve going out. And then we can pick a point here in the middle, just go off to the side. And then we're gonna connect that. A little bit of curve. And then we can add in maybe just a couple of lines on the bottom here, just to make it look like fur. And then lastly, let's finish up the ear. I know this head is getting a little bit more complicated, right? Right, so for his ear, it's easy on the side here, right on the band. It's gonna come out. And then curve back in. Okay, so from here in the corner, go out. Curve back in. And then go back to the corner and just draw another curve coming down. Alright, so finally we finished with the face, but it is a very cool looking face. That's why sometimes it takes a little bit longer. Alright, so let's move on down and we gotta draw in, let's draw in his collar first. So on the side here, just gonna come down slightly. And then I'm gonna curve out for his collar. And then we're gonna go up right behind his face here. Alright, and then there's gonna be one more, there's a little bit more detail here. So on the side here, just come out and then go up. So it's like a little rectangle, but it's behind the fur. So just make sure you go behind it. And then there's a little button here. Alright, so now we can finish up his clothing. His clothing's got a lot of rip in there, but we'll just kind of simplify it. So we're going to continue this. The middle, just come on down. And now let's draw in the shoulder. So on the shoulder here, we're just going to slant out and down. And then just come about here. Okay, so this is going to be the armpit area. So here's the armpit. And I'm just gonna draw another line here first. So it's gonna be right next to that. And then we'll close it just by drawing some of these little zigzags. Make it look like it's being ripped. So it doesn't have to be like this exactly when you're drawing it, just as long as you have some kind of zigzags. Okay, and then now we're gonna connect this and we're gonna give the same kind of zigzags. So just kind of make it a little bit more random. And on this side, looks like it's got some rip. A little more circle in here. Draw something like that. So again, it doesn't have to be exactly the same. Alright, and then for some details on the inside here, just gonna draw in one line coming down. And then from here, that's his clothing. So now let's finish up his body here. So his body is really skinny on the waist. So I'm just gonna come down and draw one line across. And then we're just gonna add one section for his belt. So here's the buckle. And then here's the loops on the side. And then that's pretty much it. And then we can finish up the his torso here. So in the middle, it's got some fur. We draw a V shape there, and then we just kind of add more of these little zigzags going out to the side. And if you want, you can add in a little bit more of these, just to make it look like fur. Alright, so now let's move on to his arms. So again, here's the armpit. I'm just gonna slant it out. Here's his arm. His arm comes out quite a bit, so there's a shoulder coming down. And then now for his bicep, so we're gonna draw one bracket. Okay, so here's the elbow. So for this, we're gonna go out and then come back in past the waist area. I'm gonna close that off, and then for his fist, it's gonna be easy. Same thing as the other one, just kind of hook it. And here's the back of the fist. Turn it slightly and let's close that. And then let's add in one line here just for the detail on this glove, and then on the back here as well. And then we can add in a little bit of fur here on the side. Just kind of draw like a little angle. Just draw two. Makes it look a little bit meaner, right? Alright, so let's draw on the other side. So the top's gonna be the same. Come across. Here's the armpit. Shoulder coming down. Bicep, just a bracket. Just use the other side for reference so we know how far down. Lower arm, I'm gonna go out, and I'm just gonna close this first because it's got more details on this little arm piece here. Okay, just pinch it down, close it, and let's just go ahead and finish this part up first then. I'm just gonna come down, and then here's two straps. And then it's got some spikes here, so I'm just gonna draw 3. And then now for his hand here, I'm gonna give him his claw because it's kind of cool looking for this wolf. So here we're gonna come down on the side, and then for his thumb, I'm just gonna come down, curve it back up. Okay, and then I'm gonna add in a little bit of a claw there. Okay, and then from here, slant down, and now I'm gonna go back up here, back of the hand, and I'm just gonna close it. So it looks like it's got some detail here, and it's gonna have one strap here, so I'm just gonna come across, and then now we can draw in the other fingers. So for the other fingers, continue this. I'm gonna draw 3 segments, 1, 2, and 3. So this is gonna be including the long fingernails. So now I'm gonna start back up here. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, and then on the third one, I'm just gonna close that off, make it nice and sharp. And then let's add in a little bit more fingers on the other side, on the back. I'm just gonna come out and just kind of go in. And I'll add one little angle here, just to show that there's more than one finger. Alright, so it's a pretty cool looking claw. So let's move on to his legs. So his legs are a little bit different. Because he's got more than one joint here on the bottom. So I'm gonna start in the middle, come to the middle. I'm gonna draw one line like this. Come here's back to the middle. Draw another slant. I'm just adding some folds for his clothing, and then I'm gonna come back up here. I come down and in. Okay, and then I'm gonna come down now on both sides. I'm gonna add in those zigzags again for the ripped jeans. All right, so same thing on the other side. This one's gonna go out, in, come down and turn in, and then same thing here, slant out, and then just again more ripped jeans. Okay, so now let's finish off his leg. So we're coming down, and this is gonna be his knee right here, so just a little bracket, and then we're gonna come down. So this is kind of strange, right? So another bracket, slightly longer. And then we're gonna add one more joint here, so just a little bit of bump. So it's gonna be 3, so his knee and then his lower leg here. Okay, and then from here, now we can go down all the way down to his foot. So we're gonna come down on this side. I'm gonna stop there, a little bit short. Come back up here. I'm just gonna keep it simple. I'm just gonna draw a dome shape. And I'm just gonna close that off. And let's just go ahead and add, just gonna add 2 lines for his toes. So now let's draw on the other side. It's gonna be pretty much the same. So here's his knee. Another bracket, slightly wider. Then one more little bump. So use the other side for reference, come all the way down. And this one's gonna go out and stop a little bit short. Come in here, dome shape all the way down. Close it off and then just 2 lines. Alright, and then in here we need to draw in some of the ripped jeans. So let's start up here. Just kind of come out to the side here. Just gonna add in a little bit of these zigzags here. And then on this side, it's gonna have some holes here. So I'm just gonna add in 1, 2, and 3. And then lastly, actually there's a little bit more of the pants here. So I'm gonna just kind of connect these lines there on his knee. And then go back on the side. Let's draw a little bit of these zigzags. Okay, and we'll be able to see those once we color the stuff in. And if you want to, we can add in just a little bit more of these lines here. Little zigzags for his fur. And that is it for this awesome looking maxed out dire skin. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.